Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I know, long time no see, work has just been super busy. If you follow me on Instagram, which by the way is also Lesley Adina, you might have gotten a glimpse or two over on my stories, but I think, although I hope I'm not jinxing it by saying it out loud, I think I might see a light at the end of the tunnel, but we'll see. Anyway, today is Thursday and it's a day off for me as well as tomorrow because today's my birthday. Yay! I'm headed to my parents later today in like midday, early afternoon, and I think I might pop by a gluten-free bakery on my way there and pick up a couple of things because both my grandpa and I are celiac, and my sister recently also got diagnosed with celiac, so like, yeah, gluten intolerance. So I think I'm gonna pick up a couple of goodies on my way to my parents because, yeah, I'm gonna see my parents, my sister, and my grandparents. We're all gonna get tested beforehand and all that, so yeah, super safe, but I'm so excited to finally see them again because, yeah, thanks to work and other life stuff, I haven't seen my grandparents in quite a while, although they live in the same city as I do. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna head to like an art fashion exhibition. I don't know too much about it yet, but it looked quite interesting, so I'm gonna check that out tomorrow. And on Saturday I'm gonna see a friend of mine. So yeah, I thought I'm gonna try to vlog like my extended birthday weekend basically. It's gonna be like a mixed bag of maybe some shopping because I haven't had time to actually purchase myself anything for my birthday. And oh, talking about birthday presents, behind me in the white bag right there is something that I got yesterday at work, and I was able to restrain myself from unboxing it yesterday, but as it's my birthday today, I think let's do a little unboxing. I have no idea what it is yet, but we're gonna find out together. All right, let's go. Those aren't presents, by the way. Those are Hermès magazines or like catalogs that I have yet to photograph because some of you may know, probably most of you don't, that I have a second Instagram account where I show these like Le Monde d'Hermès or like the World of Hermès catalogs that come out twice a year, like since the 80s basically, and I'm slowly but surely trying to complete my collection with the help of eBay and stuff, and it's just so interesting to flick through these old catalogs and yeah, see the old collections and how they style it. Anyways, I digress. So first, birthday present. Ooh, okay, I'm a sucker for scented candles, and this one looks interesting. Verbena Orange Lemon. Sounds like a perfect spring scent. The White Company, London. Perfect. And that's the second. Okay. So here we are. I unboxed or like tissue papered it, and it's a wooden board basically for like cheese platters, for example. Not that I eat cheese that often because my skin usually freaks out when I eat any type of dairy products, but I mean there are so many ways to put this wooden board to use. And again, the White Company, beautiful. I mean, this is what I like about these type of presents. I would have never thought of purchasing myself a wooden board like that, especially not from a bougie place like the White Company. I don't have the prettiest kitchen, so I still have to figure out a way to like appropriately display this, and yeah, love that. Okay, so yeah, unboxing or like birthday present number one, and I guess I'm gonna see you later today.
You say you had no clue what I want to do. can't keep me far away for long.
시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 Feels better that we're on a separate ways Our memories faded Sometimes I think of you 너 없이 뭔가 좀 공허해 난 날이 무뎌지는 그 감각에 어느새 집중돼 Lost but prefer not to be found 없어져 그래도 남아있을걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I'm fine alone But then that would just make me feel
Hi everyone, I realized that I didn't really show my face throughout this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. It's Saturday afternoon already and I just wanted to quickly give you a glimpse of what happened yesterday, and the big red one happened today. Not really planned, but I think I'm still able to get away with grouping it under me treating myself for my birthday. Unboxing and like reveal videos are definitely coming. I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things in terms of regular uploads and filming. And one quick unboxing. I met a really good friend of mine and yeah, let's see what I got from her. So as I said, these two are waiting to be unboxed and I'm gonna reveal them in an upcoming video, or like 2 videos depending on how long or short I'm gonna structure them. But let's get to the unboxing of an actual present that I didn't buy for myself. First off, this looks super cute. I think it's like kind of similar to Lego, I guess, so like a build yourself hamster. Super cute. And the main present is from Polène. One-handed unboxings are really tricky, but we're getting there. There we go. Such a pretty color. So yeah, it's a really simple designed like card holder, and over the last 2 years I've really converted to basically only using a card holder plus a like pochette clé for like additional cards and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to switch into this one. And yeah, I guess that does it for today's video. This one was a little all over the place, but I really hope it was interesting or entertaining at least. So yeah, thanks so much for watching again. Thumb up this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.